Understanding P0075 trouble code. P0075 code overview. Symptoms of P0075 code. Common causes of P0075 code. Diagnosing P0075 code issues. Solutions for P0075 code. Diagnostic tools and techniques. Importance of timely repair. Agenda. Overview. P0075 code overview. The P0075 trouble code indicates an issue with the intake valve control solenoid circuit on bank 1 of the engine. This solenoid controls the intake valves that regulate airflow into the engine cylinders for optimal combustion. When the circuit malfunctions, it can cause improper valve operation, leading to symptoms like rough idling, reduced power, and increased fuel consumption. Diagnosing this code involves checking the solenoid, wiring, and related electrical components to ensure proper function and restore engine performance. The check engine light activates as an early warning, indicating a problem with the intake valve control solenoid circuit that needs attention. The engine may idle unevenly or stall unexpectedly due to improper valve control affecting combustion stability. Drivers may notice a drop in engine power and responsiveness, impacting overall vehicle performance. Check engine light. Rough idling or stalling. Reduced engine performance. Fuel efficiency decreases as the engine struggles to operate optimally, leading to higher fuel usage. Increased fuel consumption. Symptoms of P0075 code. Symptoms. The vehicle may hesitate or lag when accelerating because of disrupted valve timing and control. Difficulty in acceleration. Common causes of P0075 code. Causes. A defective or stuck solenoid can fail to regulate intake valve timing, triggering the P0075 code. Wiring harness damage or corrosion interrupts the electrical signals to the solenoid, causing malfunctions. Loose or oxidized connectors reduce current flow, leading to erratic solenoid operation and code detection. Faulty intake valve solenoid. Damaged or corroded wiring. Poor electrical connections. Improper oil viscosity or contamination affects solenoid performance since it relies on clean oil pressure for operation. Low or contaminated engine oil. A faulty engine control module may send incorrect commands or fail to communicate properly with the solenoid system. Malfunctioning ECM. Diagnosing P0075 code issues. Diagnosis. Scan for codes. Inspect wiring. Test solenoid. Check engine oil. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve and confirm the presence of the P0075 trouble code from the vehicle's computer system. Visually examine wiring harnesses and connectors related to the intake valve control solenoid for signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Measure resistance and voltage levels of the solenoid using a multimeter to verify it operates within manufacturer specifications. Assess the engine oil for proper viscosity and cleanliness, as low or contaminated oil can affect solenoid performance. OBD2 scan report. List of active and stored trouble codes. Inspection checklist. Photos of wiring condition. Notes on any corrosion or damage found. Resistance and voltage test results. Comparison against specification values. Oil analysis report. Oil change recommendation if necessary. Verify ECM. Confirm that the engine control module is communicating correctly with the solenoid by checking data flow and performing diagnostic tests. ECM communication test results. Diagnostic feedback from ECM. Install a new intake valve control solenoid to restore proper valve operation and resolve the P0075 trouble code. Fix or replace damaged, corroded, or loose wiring and connectors to ensure strong electrical signals to the solenoid. Inspect vehicle fuses related to the solenoid circuit and replace any blown fuses to maintain circuit continuity. Replace faulty solenoid. Repair wiring and connectors. Check and replace fuses. Change engine oil if it is low or contaminated, as poor oil quality can affect solenoid performance and valve control. Replace contaminated oil. Solutions for P0075 code. Solutions. Ensure the engine control module is properly calibrated to communicate effectively with the solenoid and manage valve timing. Calibrate ECM. Diagnostic tools and techniques. Diagnosis. Connect an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port to retrieve trouble codes like P0075 quickly. This tool provides real-time data and error codes essential for diagnosis. Use a multimeter to measure resistance and voltage of the intake valve control solenoid circuit. Proper readings confirm solenoid health and electrical integrity of wiring and connectors. OBD2 scanner usage. Resistance and voltage testing. Engine control module checks. Verify ECM communication with the intake valve solenoid via scan tools. Ensure the ECM sends correct signals and operates within specifications to prevent false trouble codes. Maintenance. Importance of timely repair. Delaying repair can lead to increased engine wear and costly damage. Unresolved issues reduce fuel efficiency, raising operational costs. Poor engine performance can compromise vehicle safety during driving. Timely fixes help maintain optimal engine function and emission standards. Early intervention avoids cascading problems affecting other engine components.